Find the cube root of the following numbers by factorization method. So now you have to find out cube root of the number which is given here. The first question is 8 upon 27. This is in the form of rational number. So separately you can find out the cube root of each number or factorize both of them. Let's start from 8. Even if you don't factorize here or factors, if you don't find out, still you know it is 3 2's. 2 4's are 8, 2 2's are 4 and 2 1's are 2. Altogether 3 2's are there in 8. The next one is 27. Same thing with the 27, it goes by 3 table. 3 9's are 27, 3 3's are 9 and 3 1's are 3. That's very simple, so I have not explained you in detail. Now to find out the cube root of this number, we can find out here. Remember, when you're finding out cube root, always write this 3 inside this. That is cube root of 8 upon 27. That is cube root of 8 is 2 cube and 27 is 3 cube. So when you're finding out cube root, if you have 3 numbers, 2 cube and 3 cube, 2 is repeating 3 times, you can write this as 2 and this as a 3. So 8 upon 27, the cube root of this number is 2 upon 3. You have to find out the cube root of the number which is in decimal. So for first step, what you can do in this is 125 upon, remove this decimal. After decimal point, you have 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. So write down here 3 zeros. Okay. So if it is 2 numbers, you'll write 2 zeros. If it is 1 number after decimal, you'll write 1 zero. As after decimal point, you have 3 numbers, so 3 zeros. And then you know how to find out the cube root of this number. Separately find out the factors of both of them. That is 125. We'll start with 125. As already taught to you that 5 is in the unit place, that shows 5. This number is divisible by 5. So can write 5 2's are 10, 5 5's are 25, 5 5's are 25 and here 5 1's are 5. This is one factor what we have taken out 125. Even here if you want 1000, I don't think, if you don't find out also it is okay, because it is representing the here 10 cube. Want to do separately, you can do that, otherwise you can stop here. Here it is cube root of 125 upon 1000. You have to find out where 1000. You can write 10 1's are 10, 2 zeros, again 10 1's are 10, 1 zeros and 10 1's are 10. So finally that is 3 10's are there. So you can write this cube root of 125. It is 5 raised to 3 and 1000 it can be written as 10 raised to 3. So cube root of the given number, because 5 3 times and 10 3 times, you can remove it out. 5 upon 10 is a cube root of 0.125. Even if you want to write in the decimal, you can write like this here 5. You have 10 in the denominator. That means you'll count one number and put the decimal point. The answer will be 0.5. You want to keep like this in the fraction, it's okay. If you're writing in the decimal, just count one number and put the decimal, because you have 1 zero. We have 2 zeros, you have to count 2 numbers and put the decimal point. So we have next question, 3375, 4096. We have to find out the cube root of the given number. Start with the first part, that is 3375. Can see that 5 is in the unit place. This number is divisible by 5. 5 6 the 30, 5 7 the 35, 5 5 the 25. Continue with the 5 because you have 5 in the unit place. 5 1's are 5. 5 3's are 15. 5 5's are 25. Continue with 5 again. You have 5 in the unit place. 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Now it is 27 which comes in 3 table. That shows this number is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So altogether these are the factors of 3375. Next we'll find the factors of 4096. As you have 6 in the unit place, this number is divisible by 2. It is 2, 2s are 4, 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Continue with the 2 as all these numbers are divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. We'll continue with the 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Continue here with the 32. 32. It is again will be divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4, and 2 1s are 2. Altogether, we are going to write all the factors. As you see, all these numbers were divisible by 2, and you have 4 set of 2 cubes. Okay, so we are going to write in the place. First, write down here. 3 5s are here, that is 5 cube will come here. Next, you have 3 set of 3. So, you are writing 3 cube here. Find out about 2. You have 1 set of 2, second set of 2, here 1, 2, 3, third set, and this is the fourth set of 2. So you can write down 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube. So altogether when it comes out, you'll have 5 into 3 upon, it is altogether 4 2's, and 4 2's will become 16. So you have 15 upon 16 as a cube root of this given fraction. So what you can write down separately here, remove all the 2's out, and when you multiply it becomes 16. Now you have set of 5 questions. 2 of them are in fraction, other 3 are there in the decimal. You have to find out the cube root of these numbers. Still, if you have doubt, remember 27 divisible by 3, 5 divisible by 5, here also divisible by 5, this is divisible by 3, 8 is divisible by 2, this is also divisible by 2, and this number is also divisible by 2, and all 3 will be having 1000 in the denominator. Still you have time, take 15 to 20 minutes, complete this and then check your score. You have any other doubt or you want to ask me some other questions other than given here, you can write those questions in the comment box. I'll solve those questions, make a video of it, and will give you the solution for all the questions which you give in the comment box. Okay, so best of luck, do these questions and check your scores.